So this is a very exciting time, I think, particularly in the in vivo space. We certainly expect over the next year or two to see several reports, readouts of trials both in autoimmunity and in myeloma of patients treated with in vivo CAR T cells. We're sort of starting to see the first trickle of reports come out. I caution that it is usually the trials that happen to have the earliest successes that get read out first. So we really need to temper our enthusiasm and wait for these results to come out over the next year or two to see more patients treated, to wait for safety signals to mature. There are definitely safety concerns and considerations with some of these products. But despite saying all that, I'm very, very excited that maybe in the next year or two, we're going to really have a sense of whether these technologies are tractable, viable, if there's something that's just going to be a scientific curiosity, if it's something that we're actually going to be able to bring widely to patients. And certainly, the field writ large, including biotech, seems to really think that there's a chance that this will translate to the clinic with some very significant recent investments in these early stage technologies by major companies. So certainly the early data looks promising, and we're all very excited.